Let's make a delicious apple pie. Now, to be honest, I hate peeling anything. Apples, potatoes, whatever. They say I do it pretty good, but I cannot stand it. But on we go. In a large bowl, I put the juice of 2 limes and 1 orange. I quarter the orange to make it fit my press. I add a lot of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg, and a splash of my good vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of natural arrowroot. You can also use cornstarch, whisked together. Slice your apples the same width. My favorites are Granny Smith, Gala, Fuji, and Honeycrisp. Put a 1/2 stick of butter, get your pan hot, and drop in your apples. Get them coated well, put a lid on it, and cook for 10 minutes. They'll be nice and tender. Put them in a bowl and let them cool. I always use a large pie dish. Do that for no spills. I'm using store-bought pie crust. Get the ones that come 2 in a package. Egg wash the bottom. It'll keep the crust from getting soggy. Then drop in your cooled apples. Get every last bit. Then use your second store-bought pie dough and seal them together with your fingers. I just attach, fold under, and press. There are many techniques though. Egg wash the whole top. Sprinkle a little sugar for sweetness. Slice in some vent holes, very important. Bake at 350 for 45 minutes. And I promise you, you have the most delicious baked apple pie. I like it with a scoop of ice cream. You won't be sorry. Goodbye.